So hello guys, and welcome back to another video on our channel. And today we're going to be talking about Chainlink. So there's a special pattern or a trend forming in Chainlink that's leading us to think that it's just having a beginning of a bull trend. So we'll be taking a look at what that pattern is, how that's affecting the price of Chainlink, and what's going on currently with the charts of Chainlink. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, we are on the daily time frame on the Chainlink / US dollar chart on tradingview.com. So if we take a look at the daily time frame, I have just drawn the quick inverted head and shoulder pattern that we can see right here, and this is based on our trend that we are seeing. So if we take a look at this inverted head and shoulders, we see this initial neckline, which is around here. We saw this neckline is pretty constant throughout the whole pattern, and we can see our shoulders, which is our two basic lower price targets in the total trend, and we see our head, which is basically the lowest one, or basically the biggest price change in the whole trend. So if you don't know the inverted head and shoulders, we can look that up to take a look at what that looks like. And this is what basically inverted head and shoulder is. We see the initial downtrend, we see our first shoulder, we go back up to the neckline, we see our head, which is basically just a lower number on the whole graph. We head back to the neckline once again, and then we see a second shoulder near our first shoulder. So basically they're almost identical in price, and then we head back up to the breakout side, and then we just continue on to our bull run based on what the trend is like. So what do we see in this case? We see our initial first shoulder. I just changed it. Our initial first shoulder we see right here, then we go even lower to our head right here, go back to our neckline, go back to our second shoulder near our basically identical to our left shoulder, and then we have a breakout near the end of the neckline after this trend is completed. And we already have this confirmed breakout right here that we are already seeing right here, and we have already broken out. Let's just calculate what the percent of change in price that we can predict right here. Let's just move this line over. So basically this could be our price target after this breakout. So we could hit possibly around $20.45 in Chainlink very soon, based on this technical analysis and based on our technical price target that we see right here. And we have already gone as high as around $19.77 in the past, just yesterday, and we saw a really nice high number. And we have been seeing green candle constantly. We only saw one of these red days in the past couple weeks, and we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuous green candles here, just 2 green candles throughout this whole rally. So from around $13.50 all the way up to $19.79, we only had 2 red days throughout the bull run. So that is a pretty good sign that we are headed to even higher prices. So based on what our head was, how far our head was from the neckline, we can put this price target right here to just basically mimic or set an example of what our target could be in the next couple of days, or for us to hit. So we are possibly gonna hit around $20.45. So basically around $20.50 could be our next price target around here, and that's what we could possibly see in Chainlink. in the upcoming times if we keep seeing the bull run. So now this is again a confirmed breakout. This isn't a risky thing to do, and we don't know if we are going to get a reversal yet, but our technical price target would be around that price range. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about Chainlink having the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it has already broken out. So this is a confirmed breakout based on the previous days. We have seen continuous green days, just one or two red days throughout the whole bull rally that we talked about, and we are on continuous green candles throughout the past week. So that is a pretty good sign, and based on our technical price target, we could hit around the $20.40 range in the upcoming times, and that is our technical target, but that doesn't mean it does have to go to that price, but we are predicted to hit that price very soon. Now that was about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talk about any recent crypto changes, any recent patterns, or anything latest going on in the crypto community right now. So do make sure to check that out daily. And I also have long form content like this where I talk about any recent patterns forming in the crypto charts and any recent trend that's going on. So do make sure to be tuned for those videos as well. So that was about it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.